Welcome to geography class. Today we are going to start chapter manufacturing industry and topic is classification of manufacturing industries. First, what is manufacturing? Manufacturing means production of goods in large quantities after the processing from raw material to more valuable product is called manufacturing. Or we can say transformation of raw material, that is primary raw material, into finished good is known as manufacturing. For example, paper from wood, sugar from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron ore. These are example of manufacturing industry. Now, importance of manufacturing industry. First, backbone of economy. Manufacturing industries help in modernizing agriculture by providing them different tools and machines which forms the backbone of our economy, and agriculture is backbone of our economy, so indirectly manufacturing is backbone of economy. Second, they reduce the dependence on agriculture. They also reduce the heavy dependence of people on agriculture income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sector. In this way, that will reduce the dependence on agriculture. Now people can get their jobs in secondary and tertiary activities. Third, eradicate unemployment and poverty. Industries provide large scale employment opportunities. In this way, they eradicate unemployment and poverty. Bring down regional disparities means government can establish industries in backward tribal areas. In this way, there will be less regional disparities. Next is foreign exchange. They can earn foreign exchange means export of manufactured goods expand trade and commerce and brings in much needed foreign exchange. That's why manufacturing is important. Next topic is factors affecting industrial location, means which is the ideal place for location of industries. So there are two types of factor. First, physical factors, second, human factors. First, we will discuss about physical factor. First physical factor is raw material, closeness to the source of bulky and perishable raw material. Two types of industries are located near the source of raw material. First, industries which uses bulky raw material means heavy raw material. For example is iron and steel. Second, industries which uses perishable raw material like sugar industry. They establish or located near the source of raw material. Second, power resources. There are two types of power resources, coal and hydroelectricity. Both are required to run machines. Next, water. Water needs for different purposes like for cooling purpose in iron and steel and for washing and dyeing purpose in cotton and jute. So water is also required for location of industry. Next factor is climate. Favorable climatic condition for certain industries like hot and humid climate is necessary for location of cotton textile industry. If we will locate industries in dry climate, then thread will break again and again. So hot and humid climate is required for cotton and textile industries. Next, human factors. First is labor. Cheap and skilled labor is also required in industries like in handloom industry. Transport, quick and efficient means of transport for movement of raw material and finished products. Raw material towards mills and finished products towards market. Capital. Each industry needs capital investment through banks and cooperative societies. Last factor is market. Market play important role for the consumption of finished good. So these were factors which affects the industrial location. Now, classification of industries on different bases. First base is on the basis of their main role. First is basic industry. Basic industry means industries which provide raw material to other industries. For example, iron and steel, because iron and steel provide raw material to other industries. And second is consumer industry. These industries produce good for direct use by consumer. For example, sugar and toothpaste industry. There is one example of basic industry, that is iron and steel, that provide raw material to other industry, that is toothpaste industry. Consumer can use this product easily. Next, on the basis of ownership, first is private, like Bajaj Auto, which is owned privately by a person or a group of person, that is private industry. Next is public sector industry, which is owned and operated by government, that is known as public sector industry, like Bhilai Steel Plant and Bharat Heavy Electronic Industries. Joint sector industry, which are jointly run by state and individual or a group of individual. Example is Oil India Limited, that is example of joint. Next is cooperative society sector industries, are owned and operated by a group of person or a cooperative society. Best example is sugar mills and silk mills. Next, we will discuss about two industries which are related on the basis of ownership. Public sector industry, example is Bhilai and Reliance, that is example of private sector industry. Now ownership के basis पे cooperative sector industry Amul, and joint sector industry, that is Oil India Limited. Now based on raw material, agro based industries which get their raw material from agriculture, like cotton and sugar. Mineral based industries get their raw material from mineral, like aluminium smelting and cement industries. There is one agro based industry, that is sugar industry. On the other hand, there is aluminium smelting industry. Next, based on bulk of and weight of raw material, heavy industries which uses heavy and bulky raw material, again iron and steel. And light industry uses light raw material, like watch industry. On the basis of capital investment, there are two types of industries: small scale industries and large scale industry. Investment less than 1 crore is known as small scale industry, and investment more than 1 crore is large scale industry. Thank you.